Can you just turn $100 into 1,000 or 10,000 US dollars in the next bull run? In this video, I will break down a $100 crypto portfolio, my price target, potential profits, and how far this tiny investment could really go. This video is no financial advice, I'm just sharing my own opinion, and always don't forget, do your own research before you're investing. Welcome back to the video. I will start a new episode here on rating portfolios out of the community. And I just received a portfolio from one of my followers here on YouTube. He invested just only $100. It's a very nice portfolio. So in this video, I want to rate this portfolio, gave you some price targets, what I believe is the portfolio doing. We will talk about three kind of price targets, like the conservative one, the normal one, and if the bull run will absolutely go crazy, we'll also have our main high-end moon price target. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you also want to see more of videos like this, just let me know in the comment, or also share me your portfolio so I can rate also your portfolio. Let's start first of all with the first coin. So this person invested in 5 coins, just $100. In my opinion, it's a kind of good ratio to invest only in 5 projects. Because if you have like only $100 left to invest in the crypto market, it does make sense to put in 10 different projects. So it makes sense to choose some projects where you have like the best opportunity to gain some more profits. What's following? This portfolio focused more on Solana based coins and on AI, but also on some saver coins like Bitcoin. But to be honest, I want to say if you have only $100 to invest, or you see it like here, the person only invests like $20. If you have only like that less of money, just put it in a trading account, flip it to 100, flip your 100 to 200 or to 300 US dollars and then invest in spot. But don't invest like $10 or $20 only in Bitcoin, because you will see it later. Also, if the moon target will hit on Bitcoin, you just even not double your account. So this is, or just double the account. So it's definitely more worth it to put in some other coins. But first of all, let's start with the first coin. It's 𝗨. 𝗨 we talked about in many videos before. So my trade targets or my targets for 𝗨 are kind of the same as before. So my main target, if I want to buy 𝗨 right now, is definitely here 720 US dollars. So we put here price target 720 US dollars is kind of the target. What it's definitely will reach out in the next couple of weeks or in a couple of months. And in end of the bull run, I definitely expect here 𝗨 reaching 1,000 US dollars. So I would keep the target 1,000 US dollars definitely as possible in the bull run. For the price target for the moon, I have also listed up and also explained it in many videos before. That is here around 1,500 to 1,600 US dollars. I would make it like here a little bit more conservative, 1,500 US dollars. But I can definitely also imagine that 𝗨 will keeping higher, but we want to keep it real here. So in this portfolio, we take it here like 720, 1,000 US dollars and 1,500 US dollars. For Bitcoin, let's also talk about Bitcoin because it's the next coin on his portfolio. So let's look on Bitcoin. We talked on this channel so many times about Bitcoin, and you already know my main targets for Bitcoin. Let me put out the right chart. So my main target for Bitcoin is here 150,000 to 180,000 US dollar. This is definitely my target for the bull run, 160,000 US dollars. The more conservative target would be like around 150,000 or 140,000 US dollars. This will be hit for sure 100%. I mean, we even like $20,000 away from this. And my moon target is also here around 200,000 US dollars. This is also my target for the bull run. Is definitely here around 206,000 US dollars. I mean, the moon target could be already higher, to be honest. We should focus on the realistic side of the portfolio. It doesn't make sense if I tell you Bitcoin will hit $500,000. For sure, it will somewhere hit $500,000. but I think not in this bull run. So let's keep this rating here a little bit more on the realistic side. The next one is bonk. First target is, to be honestly, it is already here. So this is my main target, mainly my conservative target for bonk, to make it more realistic, because we already break it, and if we break it, bonk will definitely shoot way higher. So this would be like, now I need to count the zeros. The second target would be remains here on the Fibonacci level around 0.00081. And my moon target would be here around 0.0012. And now you can finally see, even if you put like the kind of same amount in Tau, in Bitcoin or in bonk, you will see that my portfolio or my main targets after the portfolio value would be around on bonk like $110. Even if you only put like $30 inside. On the same side, on Bitcoin, if you put $20, you get like on my moon target just only double your account. So imagine it's more than, let's see how many percent it would be like here to my moon target. It would be 300% to the upside, what is absolutely not that far away if the bull run is really kicking in, because you see the last time as bonk made this move in a couple of weeks or a couple of days, 150%, 170% to the upside. So we can definitely expect something else also here the same. So if we are moving now here 170% to the upside, we would already reach my bull market target. So this is definitely possible. Keep this also in mind if you also want to invest in some coins, that it's definitely possible that we can reach the target number 2. The next coin would be Render, AI coin. Let's also have a look on Render for the price targets for Render. Luckily, I also put it here already, my first target here in Render. It's like $10. Yeah, kind of around $10. And this is a target what is absolutely possible. So definitely a good idea to put some money in Render. For the main targets, we have definitely make here some chart analysis. So the next target would be definitely around $17 for Render. Let's mark this also in the chart. So if we have the next portfolios coming in having the same coins, we just can take these as it is. So it would be like $18 or $70.60. So let's count it like $18. What is absolutely possible in my mind, because if you are having a look on Render, it would be like a move of 380% to the upside, which is definitely absolutely possible. And my main target or my moon target for Render would be $26. More or less like this area, I would definitely have my target on it. It would be like 620% to the upside. So let's also mark this here up. I would keep it as $25 to $28 in this zone. So I don't want to have a fixed number out of this, but this is definitely my range. About $25 to $26 would be my moon target for Render. The next coin is Solana, and Solana is definitely the coin I also invested super much in. Solana, I bought Solana the last time reaccumulated around under $100, but I was buying Solana first in this zone around, I think around $20 approximately. So if you're invested in Solana around $20, it's absolutely amazing. This is the best entry you can ever have. And I definitely expect here Solana also moving here definitely to the old all-time high. So it would be here around $290. This is definitely a target what I have here, $290 or $295. This is a target what's definitely possible. And my main target for Solana would be here, if we are putting like with the Fibonacci, would be definitely here around $400. So $400 would be one of my main target here for the bull run. especially if the altcoin season is running like crazy, the meme coins performing, because when the meme coins are performing heavily, also Solana will also perform very good, because all the meme coins are based or mainly based on Solana, and then also Solana gets a lot of volume and a lot of momentum to the upside. So $400 would be my target for the bull run, and my main or my moon bull run target would be around, to be honest, my target for the bull run moon would be like $800. So you see, it's not directly the Fibonacci, but it's definitely my main target, $800 for Solana. If the meme coin cycle is pulling in, if the bull run is absolutely going crazy, this is also one of my targets for Solana. So $800 definitely possible. So imagine you put like just a few dollars in Solana right now, around $170, and it reached the moon target, would be like $300. And if you are so lucky as me, bought Solana around $20, it would be gave you a target of 4,000% to the upside, which is absolutely amazing. So this is definitely a good amount of money you can make here, especially. It does make sense how many money you put inside. So this is basically my rating for this portfolio here. So he invested $100 in the more conservative way. He will double mainly his account, so on $170, but I expect it definitely like a 2.5x your account. And even if the bull run is absolutely going crazy, it's definitely possible to make here 4x in kind of like a conservative way, because you can see it here right now. If you put like the $20 investment, it's like probably a quarter of our investment account in some other coins, maybe also like a more percentage. This is also I would do. I would sell my Bitcoins right now and put it more in some other coins. I would put the $20 from Bitcoin a little bit more in Solana and put it a little bit more in Render. So you have like a little bit more balanced portfolio. Just only focus on 4 to 3 coins instead of 5 coins. So I would definitely put not that much money in Bitcoin, because even if you put now money in Bitcoin, you will, for sure, you can potentially double the account. When we are, to be honest, if you put it in some altcoins, you will make 4x, 5x, maybe on some altcoins, mainly like 10x the money. So this is definitely possible, especially on some gaming or some meme or some AI coins. It's definitely possible to 10x the investment amount. But let's be real, made $400 out of $100 in just the holding portfolio, no leverage, just a spot position. It's definitely a good way to invest here the money. If you want to have more of these portfolio ratings, just leave me in the comment or just go in the video description. There you'll find a link directly to this sheet here. You can just fill out, download the sheet and send it me over per email, and then I can also do the rating for your portfolio. Don't forget to smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you also want to watch more videos about crypto, watch the video here.